Who's an actress who carries off sari the best in Bollywood? It can be past.
Rekha ji.
Rekha ji, of
I mean,
course.
she's the epitome of grace and how a woman should look in a sari.
The best compliment you receive for Jug Jug Jio.
Oh, one is tough.
One thing your fans can expect from your upcoming Telugu film RC15 with Ram Charan.
A lot of fireworks.
One thing that you really want to accomplish before 2022 ends.
You know, I don't want to say it. I'd rather do it and then you find out. Hi, this is Kiara Advani and you're watching me on Bollywood Hungama.
So, Kiara, we'll end this interview with a rapid fire with you. पिछले इंटरव्यू में आपने रैपिड फायर में आपने जिक्र किया था कि I'm prepping for my coffee with Karan.
Yeah.
So when are we going to see you?
I don't know when the episode airs, but soon I think, you know, they've all started airing, I think.
Right.
I'm sure soon, I don't know when
कौन सी
ours airs.
controversial चीजें उसमें आ
Oh
रही हैं?
God, bhai, in the beginning when you started na saying that in these rapid fires, people say, I was just thinking, I was like, I don't know, let's wait for the coffee episode to know what I've said. Because I think in that zest, you just go on and say anything. देखते हैं अभी जब मेरा episode air होता है.
Rapid fire with Kiara Advani. The best compliment you receive for Jug Jug Jio.
Oh, one is tough. I'm remembering the screening and all the people we invited walking out. I remember what most of them had said. I remember Sandeep sir walking out and saying, I didn't know you could do this as well. And
Sandeep Vanga.
Vanga sir, yeah. And
And
a
उनसे
lot
जो
of
है
people at
उनसे
that
झूठ
screening
बुलवाना
में-
बहुत ही मुश्किल है. वो
बहुत
सिर्फ
मुश्किल
सच
है.
बोलते हैं और सच
हाँ
के सिवा
जी.
कुछ बोलते ही नहीं.
Correct. So that's why
चाहे
you
आपको
know
अच्छा लगता
that it's genuine. And a lot, like you also said, a lot of people said it on my best performances, and specifically the scene that we spoke of. So I think there are those, yeah. And a lot of women actually have written to me, even on Instagram, just talking about how refreshing it was to see, you know, someone portraying a character like Naina in a Hindi film, and whether it's her equation with her husband or her mother-in-law, I felt like it got a lot of love from the audience.
Amazing. All right. Shersha, Bhool Bhulaiya 2 and now Jug Jug Jio. What is your biggest takeaway as an actor from your hat trick of hits?
My biggest takeaway as an actor, just to keep going, to keep your head down and keep going. I feel like that's been the only way I've known how to handle a hit.
Which among the following films has been the biggest game changer for your career according to you? Kabir Singh, Shersha, Good News.
I think Kabir Singh.
Kabir Singh. All right. I will do anything for love except.
Yeah, I'd do anything for love but lose my own individuality. I think
Great.
that definitely.
Who's an actress who carries off sari the best in Bollywood? It can be past.
Rekha ji.
Rekha ji, of
I mean,
course.
she's the epitome of grace and how a woman should look in a sari.
Amazing. All right. Which of the following actors has the best comic timing according to you? Varun Dhawan, Diljit Dosanjh, Kartik Aaryan, Vicky Kaushal.
I think Diljit.
Diljit has hilarious.
He is outstanding. They're all amazing.
Yeah, but
you
Diljit-
can't compare honestly, but Diljit is just
cracking. Yeah, he's next level.
you can't. Like I'm telling you, if you see any of the other takes of Good News, I must be laughing in those takes. That's why they couldn't use them because it was impossible to keep a straight face in that.
And he
movie
does it with a
journalist.
deadpan expression.
My God, he's
he's brilliant.
too unreal.
Sanjay Leela Bhansali, S.S. Rajamouli, Rajkumar Irani, a director you can do anything to work with.
All of them.
All of them? Yeah, of course. I'm sure you'd love to do like I think all of them, but Sanjay Bhansali, मैं
I've been
frame की
saying
बात
it.
आपसे कह रहा था.
जी
So
हाँ.
the traditional stuff and everything, I think that is something that
I mean, there's
can
no
be-
one who presents you the way Sanjay sir does.
Of course.
And I've said it in so many interviews, I've put it on camera, that I would really love to work with Sanjay sir.
one thing that you really want to accomplish before 2022 ends.
You know, I don't want to say it, I'd rather do it and then you find out.
One thing your fans can expect from your upcoming Telugu film RC15 with Ram Charan.
A lot of fireworks.
A lot of fireworks.
Yeah.
Great.
Hi, this is Kiara Advani and you're watching me on Bollywood Hungama.